This video will show you how to populate your master course and copy your content into your spring section. The following process is demonstrated using the Google Chrome browser. It is suggested that you use Google Chrome as well so that you can follow the steps exactly as shown. A master course is used to develop and maintain material in Blackboard. A master course may be for an individual or a program with a shared curriculum and can be shared with other instructors and copied into one or more banner sections. A master course can be created for each course that you teach and can be reused from semester to semester. Master course never contains student enrollments. So how does the process work? The first step is to import content into your master course. To do this, you will need to know which course you want to import into your master. Typically, it will be the last course that you taught in the subject. It is called the source course because it is the source for your master course content. When you log into Blackboard, you should see a list of courses under My Courses. You should have access to your master course for your subject, as well as all previous courses that you have taught, along with your Spring 2018 shell. If that is not the case, you should contact the coordinator in your subject area to discuss your needs. In this example, I have my current Spanish 103 course, last spring's course, next spring's empty course, and my empty master. My current fall course is the most up-to-date, and I will use it as my source course to populate my master. Here is the process. First, I need to export my fall source course and save it to my computer. This process strips away student enrollment data and places the content in a zip file where it can be imported easily into the master course. Next, I need to import the zip file into the master to transfer the content and populate the master. Let's take a deeper look. To begin the process of exporting the zip file to your computer, you must first click into your source course. Scroll down to the control panel and select Packages and Utilities. Then click Export Archive Course. On the next screen, click Export Package. Leave the file attachment settings as they are, and under Select Course Materials, click the Select All button. Under Discussion Board, be sure to select the Include Only the Forums with No Starter Posts radio button. Scroll down and hit Submit. Note, this process can take a few minutes depending upon the size of the course. You will receive an email when the process is complete. After you receive the email, return to the Export Archive Course screen in your source course in Blackboard and hit Refresh. The zip file will appear in the list. To download the zip file, click on the name of the file. Next, you need to import the zip file into your master course. Click into your master course. Scroll down to the control panel and select Packages and Utilities. Then click Import Package, View Logs. On the next screen, click Import Package. Click Browse My Computer under Select a Package and find the zip file in your Downloads folder. Under Select Course Materials, click the Select All button. Under Discussion Board, be sure to select the Include Only the Forums with No Starter Posts radio button. Scroll down and hit Submit. Note, this process can take a few minutes depending upon the size of the course. You will receive an email when the process is complete. After you receive the email, return to the master course in Blackboard to begin to work with your content. Now that you have imported your content into your master course, you can use the Course Copy function to move your content into your Spring 2018 section. First, click into your master course. Scroll down to the control panel and select Packages and Utilities. Then click Course Copy. Select the Copy Course Materials into an Existing Course option. Click Browse to locate the Spring 2018 section that you want to copy into. Then click Submit. Under Select Course Materials, click the Select All button. Under Discussion Board, be sure to select the Include Only the Forums with No Starter Posts radio button. Scroll down and hit Submit. Note, this process can take a few minutes depending upon the size of the course. You will receive an email when the process is complete. Log into your Spring section to review your course. Now that you have copied your master content into your Spring section, you need to know how to handle updates to your content. The process is simple. As you make changes to the section that you are currently offering, you should return to your master and make those same changes at that time. That way your master always has your latest updates the next time you need to copy. Please reach out for technical assistance with any of these steps. If you have any questions about access to master courses, please direct those to your division chair or your subject area coordinator.